Hello, IELTS test taker. Are you audit your IELTS speaking test? Well, this video is for you. In this short video, I'm just gonna give you a sentence and its answer. This sentence really help you to get an overview what gonna happen in your real examination. So let's get started. As you all know, the very first question will be in the exam hall, your name, about your name, like what's your name? I found many students saying I am Rahim or I am Karim and they finish their speech. But I don't really like this. But I would like to tell you, don't do it. You should say, well, my name is Shamim Reza. I feel better if somebody calls me by my last name, Reza. Or even you can say, I am Shamim Reza. It's my pleasure when somebody calls me by my last name. Dear test takers, I know it's not a difficult question. It's not a matter. It's not going to affect in your exam. In speaking test, instead of making your answer too short, it's better to speak because speaking is the only goal in this test. So my suggestion will be that every possible means so you have to speak more. So if you want to be more fluent, most of the students in our country they come to me and ask me, sir, how can I get fluency? I say, read, read, and read. Read loudly, rapidly, and quickly. And quickly. So you have to make sentences after sentences. You have to make at a time 2 or 3 sentences. Spoken English will be improved, inshallah. So that's all for today and see some other classes inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.